Wait, hold on. I'm getting a strong reading right here.
Yeah. The GPR confirms it. That's definitely metal, and it's large. We found it.
Watch the rivets right here.
I see it. It's in remarkable condition.
Take the tension slowly. Tension engaged, coming up even. Easy, easy, bring her right in. Clear on the right side, keep it coming.
Check the readings on panel 4.
The stress test shows green, but the thermal scan is flagging a hotspot here.
Let's run the diagnostic again to be safe.
This panel looks secure, but let's recheck the bolts on the next section.
Copy that. I'll update the log and we can move to the rear fuselage.
Look at the corrosion here on the stringer.
Yeah, we need to document that before we move the next panel.
Okay, easy now. Align with the front roller.
Front roller aligned. Coming down.
The ultrasonic readings are clear. No subsurface corrosion detected.
Remarkable, isn't it? After all this time.
The travel on this actuator seems slightly out of spec. We need to verify the limits.
Easy now, clear on the left side.
Confirmed, clearance looks good. Bring it up slowly.
The refurbishment plan specifies the heat-resistant coating needs to be applied right here.
Roger that. I've calibrated the plasma torch settings accordingly.
The torque setting on this one seems low.
Let me check the AMM. Yes, it needs 50 more foot-pounds. Check the torque on the inner seal housing.
Reading 45 foot-pounds, confirming the manual specifications.
All right, let's log it.
Pressure holding steady at 50.
Confirmed. Starting depressurization now.
Check the routing on the starboard side. Looks clear, passing the bundle now.
Make sure those clamps are secure. Is that centered, Bert?
Just a fraction left on the E. Bring it down slowly, just a few more millimeters. Copy that, adjusting descent rate. We have alignment on 0.4.
Okay, torque set at 200.
Confirmed. 3 clicks and seated.
Easy now, bring it down another foot.
Watch the clearance on the right side.
Rudder cycling left and right, check. Elevators cycling full up and down, check. System appears nominal.
Data looks good on the retraction.
Confirmed. Extending the gear now, green light on the lock.
Easy now, bring it to a stop right there.
Roger, stopping the tow.
Hydraulic pumps.
On. Pressure green.
Flaps.
10 degrees. Checked.
Flight controls.
Checked. Free and correct.
To the crew and the magnificent 111. Cheers! Well done, everyone. Cheers!